Getting rid of a red card in FIFA 24, FC 24 is important for your team, and here's how you can handle it. Number one, understand the suspension. When a player gets a red card, they must sit out for a few matches until, you need to wait until their suspension is over before that they can play again. So, number two, replace the player. While the player is suspended, you can replace them in your lineup. So go to your squad management, and choose another player to take their place in the next games. Number three, consider transfers. If you don't want to wait for the player to return, think about transferring them to another team. This can help you get a new player who can play who can play right away. Number four, release the player. Release prayer too, but release the player. If the player isn't essential to your team, you can release them. This means that they will no longer be part of your squad. Number five, plan for future matches. Use this time to make sure that your other players are fit and ready. Focus on teamwork and strategy to win your upcoming games. And basically, by following these steps, you can manage the red card situation and keep your team real strong.